In this study, I focused on learning about four unique members of the canid family: the African wild dog, the dhole, the Japanese raccoon dog, and the bat-eared fox. To support my research and deepen my understanding of their forms, characteristics, and ecological roles, I created quick painting studies of each species. These visual exercises help me observe their distinct features more closely, from fur texture and body shape to coloration and expression, while also giving me a stronger grasp of their natural environments and behaviors. Though the illustrations were done quickly, they served as a valuable tool for absorbing information more effectively. This is the dhole, also known as the Asiatic wild dog. It is a highly social and intelligent canid found across parts of Central, South, and Southeast Asia. Smaller than a wolf, but more robust than a fox. Those are lean and agile predators with reddish brown fur, white undersides, and bushy black chipped tails. They are built for endurance and speed, allowing them to chase down prey across varied terrain, from dense forests to alpine meadows. Dholes live in packs that can range from 5 to over 20 individuals, often led by an alpha pair. These packs hunt cooperatively, preying mainly on medium-sized ungulates like deer and wild boar. Their coordinated hunting and complex vocal communication, including whistles, squeaks, and growls, set them apart from other wild canids. Unlike most canines, dholes rarely bark. Once widespread, dhole populations have drastically declined due to habitat loss, depletion of prey, disease, and conflict with humans. They are now listed as endangered species. And research is being done to better understand their ecology. As apex predators, dholes play a key role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem they inhabit, making their preservation essential for regional biodiversity. Next, I illustrated the African wild dog, also known as the painted wolf, which is a highly social and endangered carnivore native to sub-Saharan Africa, recognizable by its mottled coat of black, brown, white, and yellow patches. Each individual has a unique pattern, making them visually distinct. African wild dogs live and hunt in packs that typically range from 6 to 20 individuals, though larger groups have been recorded. Their cooperative hunting strategy is among the most effective of any predator, with success rates often exceeding 80%, especially when targeting medium-sized ungulates like impala. Unlike domestic dogs and wolves, it has only 4 toes per foot and lacks a dew claw. Packs are led by a dominant breeding pair, and all members help raise the pups. They communicate through vocalizations, body language, and even touch. African wild dogs are critically endangered due to habitat fragmentation, human-wildlife conflict, and diseases such as rabies and distemper transmitted from domestic animals. Conservation efforts focus on habitat protection, vaccination campaigns, and creating wildlife corridors. Their dynamic social behavior, striking appearance, and ecological role as top predators make African wild dog a vital part of Africa's biodiversity and an important species for conservation focus. Next, I illustrated the bat-eared fox. It is a unique and small canid species native to the open grasslands and arid regions of eastern and southern Africa. Its most distinctive feature is its disproportionately large ears, which not only give it excellent hearing, but also help regulate body temperature in the hot climates where it lives. Bat-eared foxes are highly specialized insectivores, with termites making up a large portion of their diet. Their teeth are smaller and more numerous than those of other canids, adapted specifically for crunching small invertebrates. They're mostly nocturnal, spending their nights foraging and their days resting in burrows and shaded areas. Social animals by nature, bat-eared foxes often live in monogamous pairs or small family groups. Unlike most canids, males play a significant role in raising the young, often taking the lead in grooming, protecting, and keeping the pups warm. They are not currently threatened and are as classified as least concern, thanks to their wide distribution and stable populations. However, habitat loss and persecution in agricultural areas can impact local populations. Their distinct appearance, ecological role, and social behaviors make the bat-eared fox a fascinating species within the canid family. Then I illustrated the Japanese raccoon dog, or tanuki. It is a subspecies of raccoon dog native to Japan. Although it resembles a raccoon, due to its dark facial markings and bushy tail, it is actually a member of the canid family, more closely related to foxes and wolves. Tanuki have thick fur, rounded bodies, and short legs, which help them adapt to a variety of environments, including forests, mountains, and even urban areas. Known for their shy and nocturnal behavior, tanuki are omnivores and opportunistic feeders, eating everything from fruits and insects to small animals and carrion. They are also one of the few canids capable of climbing trees and are known to enter a state of torpor during colder months, though they do not hibernate fully. Beyond their ecological role, tanuki hold deep cultural significance in Japan. In folklore, they are shape-shifting tricksters, often depicted with humorous or magical traits and associated with good fortune and mischief. Statues of tanuki are commonly seen outside restaurants and shops as symbols of prosperity. While not considered endangered, habitat fragmentation and road accidents pose risks to wild populations. Their adaptability, however, has helped them thrive in many parts of Japan despite human expansion. These studies were mostly unfamiliar to me before I began this study, which made the process all the more rewarding. Taking the time to observe and paint them, even in quick sketches like these, helped me understand their unique features and ecological roles better. It was both educational and creatively inspiring, and I'm excited to continue learning through more studies like this. So see you in the next study.